Anise, Pimpinella anisum, also known as aniseed, is a flowering plant native to the eastern Mediterranean and Southwest Asia. This herb is cherished not only for its aromatic seeds, which are used in cooking and baking, but also for its various medicinal properties. Anise has a distinctive flavor that resembles licorice, fennel, and tarragon, making it a popular ingredient in a variety of culinary traditions. Growth and habitat. Anise is a delicate annual plant that thrives in light, fertile, well-drained soil under full sunlight. It is typically grown in regions with a mild climate, avoiding the extremities of both frost and severe heat. Requiring a growing season of at least 120 days, anise plants grow to about 18 to 24 inches in height, producing umbels of tiny white flowers that mature into the grayish-brown seeds known globally. Identification: the anise plant features a grooved stem and feathery higher leaves which are finely divided and grow increasingly sparse up the stem. The lower leaves are simple and lobed, while the flowers are small and white, typical of the Apiaceae family. The seeds are small, oblong, and ridged, with a warm, sweet aroma released upon crushing. Edible uses and parts used. Anise is primarily grown for its seeds, which are used both whole and ground in a variety of dishes, ranging from Middle Eastern desserts to Western liquors. The seeds are a staple in breads, cakes, and cookies, and are also the flavor base for famous drinks like anisette and sambuca. Beyond the seeds, the leaves of the anise plant can be used in salads or as a garnish for their mild licorice flavor. Medicinal uses and parts used. Medicinally, anise is highly valued for its digestive properties. The seeds are typically used in remedies for bloating, gas, and colic, often prepared as a tea. Anethole, the primary component of anise oil, has antispasmodic properties, which help in relieving cramps and discomfort in the digestive tract. Additionally, anise has mild expectorant properties and is sometimes used in cough syrups and lozenges to facilitate bronchial secretion. It's also recognized for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties, making it a useful herbal remedy in various preparations. Cautions: while anise is generally safe for most people when used in food amounts, medicinal use should be more cautious. Anise can be estrogenic, which means it mimics the effects of estrogen in the body. Therefore, it should not be used medicinally during pregnancy without consulting a healthcare provider. People with allergies to plants in the Apiaceae family, such as celery, carrot, or parsley, might also experience allergic reactions to anise. Anise remains a versatile plant in both culinary and medicinal contexts. Its sweet, distinct flavor enhances a variety of traditional dishes, while its beneficial effects on digestion and respiratory health make it a valuable component of the herbal medicine cabinet. Whether used for flavoring or health, anise embodies a blend of utility and delight, making it a cherished herb in various cultures across the world.